Hello, Happy New Year. So, okay, let's start. Um, I saw this post in an atheist group called Philippine Atheists. Kinopy paste ko siya sa ChatGPT. I was not able to get a screenshot. Hindi ko na mahanap yun sa group. But anyways, eto yung post niya. I joined this group to learn about atheist perspective, pero ang na-observe ko lang, karamihan dito, both atheists and atheists, ay pseudo-intellectual lang at mababaw ang understanding ng religion at science. You can believe in science and religion at the same time. I'm a Buddhist, so I'm a non-theist, but I still have faith in God, Allah, and others. As Buddhism do not deny nor confirm their existence. Take note of the word faith. Okay. Buddhist non-theist pero leaning siya sa gods. Okay. I have faith. So you mean you believe in them? But you're a non-theist and you do not deny nor confirm, but you believe. Medyo confusing. Hindi ako naniniwala na Buddhist ka. First, religion and science are not trying to address the same phenomena. They are two separate concepts that can coexist. Religion relies on faith, while science relies on empirical evidence. Faith and empirical evidence operate in different realms of human understanding. For example, the question of God's existence is beyond what science can confirm or deny, as science can only study what lies within the physical universe. This is where faith comes in. Faith addresses existential, moral, and spiritual questions that science may not be equipped to answer. This is also the reason why many scientists have faith in God. Additionally, empirical evidence focuses only on the natural world that can be tested and observed. Recognizing their distinct roles will allow you to have a more holistic understanding of the physical and metaphysical aspects of life. Okay. Okay, ito yung common na parang hindi lang sa mga Buddhist, hindi lang sa mga non-theist and do not confirm the existence of God or gods. But this is common na common na mga comment ng na mga tao in general na sa part ng mga theists, they will say na religion and science complements each other. Science deals with the natural world while religion deals with the metaphysical world, something na hindi physical, outside the physical world. Yun yung metaphysical. And meron ding mga atheist actually sinasabi na hindi kaya nang i-answer lahat ng science, kaya may mga topic silang pinaniniwalaan gamit ang mga tools na kuno not much better but complement science. So no, parang hindi lang naman ito common sa mga theist, sa mga believers ko, na naririnig ko din ito sa mga kapwa ko atheist na iba yung mga trip sa buhay. Mga naniniwala sa numerology, naniniwala sa sa mga iba pa, no, na it better explains our world, or it better explains the metaphysical world gamit yung mga bagong tools na yun. Okay. So, isang reklamo ko dito sa statement niya is yung sinabi niya dito na religion deals with the metaphysical world. Religion relies on where's that? Well, science relies on empirical evidence. They're not trying to address the same phenomena. They can coexist. So, for example, sabi dito, God's existence is beyond what science can confirm or deny. This is a false statement. When you say God exists, like John exists, Jessa exists, my dog named Ghost exists, it means I can see it. I can communicate to it. I can have interaction with it. I'm talking about the dog. So when you say exists, so yun yung limitation ng language natin. I mean, will have to be able to see it, to observe it. No, when you say exist, so I have a problem with the word God exists kasi I don't know if you mean it differently. Exists in the metaphysical world, not in reality. But I have a problem with it. Kasi yun na nga, it is not a claim of metaphysical. It is claim na it is a physical claim, existence. So, and dito pa sinabi niya, it is beyond what science can confirm or deny. Hindi na ko-confirm, hindi na di-deny ng science, and na-address iyon ng 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 religion. So, again, siguro iba ang na-address ng religion sa topic ng God, no? Siguro nakakapagbigay siya ng meaning, ng comfort, and ng answer, but not nasasagot ba ng religion ang existence ng God? Hindi ko maintindihan. So, for example, the question of God's existence can study with, what lies within the physical universe. Faith comes in. So, nag-exist siya because of faith? We can prove that God exists because of faith? Confusing. I don't get it. Sorry. So, balik tayo doon sa gusto kong sabihin. Ang gusto kong sabihin is, they do not complement each other, no? Yung mga hindi nasasagot ng science, hindi ibig sabihin na nasasagot siya ng religion, no? They do not complement, no? It's not the other side. Hindi siya sorry. Iba yung gusto kong sabihin. Ang gusto kong sabihin is this. You say here na iba yung sinasagot ng faith, iba yung sinasagot ng religion, iba yung sinasagot ng science. You're saying that here, but I don't believe you. Kasi in reality, religion also deals with the natural world, and it is in conflict with how science is dealing with the natural world. Contradicting siya. So, it is not, I don't believe you. Kasi it's meddling with science. For example, the theory of natural selection, the theory of evolution by natural selection ni Charles Darwin, contradict ni religion ang observation ni science. So when that happens, when two great fields collide, and the science, sinabi mo nga, science deals with reality and the natural processes, the natural law. Religion deals with the metaphysical, it doesn't deal with the physical. But in this example, etong binigay ko ng example na theory of evolution, na they contradict each other, sino bang papaniwalaan ko? I bet it's religion. Diba? I bet a lot of you will say na, of course, religion. Hindi naman totoo yung science. So, ano na yung nangyari sa statement na iba ang sinasagot ng religion, iba ang sinasagot ng science. Eto, sinagot ng science ang question about why there are many species in this world. Sinagot ng science, meron din kasagutan ang religion, pero ang pinaniniwalaan ng religion, kala ko ba metaphysical lang yung hinahandle nila. So, it's I don't think you are being truthful. No? I just think you're using words para magmukhang balance, na iba ang dinidil ni science, iba naman ang dinidil ni religion So walang pakialamanan. But in actuality, nangingialam ang religion sa mga eksperto natin. Nangingialam siya sa mga bagay-bagay. Just give you an example about nangyari doon sa COVID, di ba? Hindi man mga pari ang nagsabi, pero a lot of religious personalities are denying and are not listening to our experts. Kaya ang daming taong namatay. When our experts said na huwag kayong lumabas, bawal ang mag-social distancing kayo, mag-wear kayo ng mask, take more vitamins, eat healthy food, anong ginawa ng mga religious? Not Christianity, but religious people. Nag-gather. hindi nag-social distancing. Patuloy yung mga gatherings nila. Nag-pray. Kasi daw, they are protected with the blood of Jesus Christ. No, yung iba, protected sila with their God. No? Sa India, sa Philippines. So, hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo na hanggang metaphysical lang ang faith at saka religion. No, you are messing with our reality. No, nakikisawsaw ka sa kung ano ang mga naiintindihan na natin sa realidad. Nakikisawsaw ka kaya maraming tao ang buhay ang nadadamay kasi nakikisawsaw ka sa realidad. Sinasabi mo na protektado ng Diyos yung mga tao mo kaya nagkakasakit at namamatay. So yun. So it's a lie. Hindi yan yung nangyayari sa totoong buhay. Nangingialam ang religion sa mga sagot ng mga eksperto. Ano pa? And when it comes to existential questions, when it comes to morality, totoo naman talaga na hindi na yan field ni science. But it doesn't mean na doon papasok ang religion. And siya na yung ako ang monopoly ng ng morality kasi hindi naman yan nasasagot ng science. No, hindi naman ganoon, hindi naman black and white ang mundo. You can be non-religious and still answer moral questions, and you don't have to have a religion to deal with moral questions and ethical questions. We have philosophy. Now you can be philosophical about moral questions. We have ethics. No, we have a secular humanism. No, another thing, no, na secular humanism kasi answers moral questions without having to appeal to supernatural na mga claims. So, yun yung sinasabi ko. Parang kasi dito ang religion Parang ano siya? Bida-bida. Kumbaga, bida-bida na meron ng mga bida. Meron tayong mga bida, mga experts, mga scientists. Alam yung paano nag-ooperate ang mga bagay-bagay. But bida-bida kasi ang mga religious personalities, religious leaders. Sasabihin nila, alam nila ito yung nangyayari. When in fact, they can't demonstrate how scientists can. So bida-bida. Bida-bida ka kasi when you're not presenting something useful and testable, then ano bang dapat itawag ko sa iyo? 'Di ba? Bida-bida. Wala ka namang bagong ibinigay at totoong na ibigay sa usapan. Bida-bida ka. And what's funny is a lot of people believe in you. And yun yung irony. Hindi naniniwala sa experts ang mga common people kasi hindi naiintindihan ng mga common people ang mga experts natin kasi sa sobrang complex ng mga topics nila. And mas palatable, mas comprehensible, mas digestible ang mga charlatans at mga scammer at mga magagaling magsalitang mga tao sa mga common people. And that's the funny thing about it, no? Kasi we're not well educated enough to be able to comprehend our experts. And we are intelligent enough to understand mga basic level ng intelligence. So yun yung I think I don't agree with this post kasi nga I don't think it's fair to say na na-answer ni religion yung hindi na-answer ni science. No, it's not only religion that deals with metaphysical or moral questions. There are a lot of stuff that you don't need to believe in a God to answer metaphysical, spiritual, tawag doon, um, philosophical and moral questions. So there are a lot of um, things out there. So ano pa? I think yun lang. So guys, if you have topic ideas, let me know kasi nauubusan din ako ng topic dito sa channel ko. Let me know what do you want to discuss about. I'll give time to do the research. And yeah, thank you.